Welcome back, y'all. It's gonna be an exciting week. Hey, it hasn't been the last two, but let's make this one exciting. You know why it's gonna be exciting? Because this car right here is gonna run. All right, quick rundown if you haven't seen. Lee's all-wheel drive, EM1, built B series, Prackworks carbon intake, all the goodies, super clean, AN lines throughout. Man, it's an ongoing list. This car's been fighting me, but I don't know if you guys seen in the last video. Check it out. Interior's going back together. Shifter is in. It works. It shifts through all the gears. It clears everything. We might cut that down, do a little short throw, but hey, I'm overall really happy with it. Right now, I'm working on getting all the fuel system buttoned up. That means running the relay, running all the lines, plumbing this thing up. We got our fuel pressure regulator right here. We've got our return line going there. We've got our feed to here. Oh, actually, it comes from the pump over there to draining right here back. Enough jibber jabber. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Let's try to grow this thing. We're trying to get some exciting stuff going. Trying to get onto this one. We got the all-wheel drive going on that one. Cage on this one this week. You'll see me dive into that one. Get that knocked out here super soon. So anyways, fuel system, here we go. Alright, so I did a quick Google search and it says the best place to return is into the bottom side of the tank because you get the least amount of aeration that way, and so that's exactly what I did. Put it right here, bottom side, so that makes sense why they have one right there. And then right here is the one that I plugged for the feed. Here's my other feed, and then I put a cap on the top. I need to run a proper vent yet. That is soon to come, and I'm waiting for my fuel pump bracket to show up. Other than that, I've got a fuel filter before the pump. The pump itself has a fuel filter, and then I have a fuel filter at the front of the car as well. Let's go check that out. So all the lines ran. I just need to put some tabs in it now, and then I need to connect the gas door to the top of the tank, and man, we should be good. But that regulator, like I said earlier, is sitting right there. All the lines go down, and there's a Russell's filter right down with all those brake lines. Super clean, super tucked. Let's dive in to putting that relay in. Alright, as y'all just seen, I just ran this nice fat power wire all the way through. It drops down to the bottom, and I finished up all my underwire wiring. I just gotta wrap it and make it pretty, but it's gonna be really hard to tell. It is all done. It all looks really nice. I got just a little wrapping to do, like I said, but tomorrow, since it is currently 1:51 a.m. on a Thursday, I am going to finish the fill neck on this, put a little fuel in it, make sure it don't leak. So that's gonna be awesome if it doesn't, and then I can prime the system, put oil in it, all that good stuff, transmission fluid. This thing should be ready to fire up. Oh, fingers crossed. Gotta change a few things in the computer, I got it charging. And this one, that 6-speed manual swap, man, it's in there like swimwear, let me tell you. We're waiting for a bracket to come in. We got a billet shifter bracket that is coming in. And this dang gas tank, let me tell you, it's a leaky one, was a leaky one, but I think I got it all sealed up. There's some mineral spirits in there, and hopefully I come in the morning and all that mineral spirits is still right where I left it and not inside the gas tank. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get some sleep. I got a busy day tomorrow. It's always busy. I got like 7 cars coming in next week. I got some stuff to do. Catch y'all in the morning. Choo! Left off with Lee's car. Got a few more parts ordered, not a bunch. Some coolant hoses, a soft clutch line, a few just minor things for this car before I can start it up. I got all the starter situation organized. But hey, it's a Saturday, and for once, I'm not working on my stuff. I'm working on this one right here. I was gonna get ahead of myself, but I figured, you know what? Let's see how well we do on this one. I just went ahead, coped that pipe up right there. That fits there. I cut out some of that old stuff that they had in there. It was all just a big old mess. So now I'm gonna put those in on each side. I'm gonna start building my hoop, running the trans tunnel. It's a double frame brace trans tunnel deal. We got it all right here. I'm gonna figure all that out, just see how this thing goes. I gotta cut a bunch of this old one out. It's gonna be a headache, but let's dive into it. Pretty painless, just put that bar and that bar in. They're just tack welded in right now. I did that with the old MIG welder. Those are nice copes. I'm learning every day on that dang coper over there. Everything is squared up. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I grabbed the square, just do a quick one like that, bam, she is square. Do the same thing over here. An old flip and an old slide, squared. So that is the way it is. Don't listen to the needle. It's not paying attention. That's square. So both those are square now. Now that I got those, I need to grind off that, and I need to come in here and figure out how I'm going to cut this bar off. I need to cut it off from this bar and this bar without ruining these two, and I need to cut it off at this bar without ruining it. Both sides, and save those bars. The welds aren't the greatest. This one's not even welded on the front side. Same thing over there. The bottoms aren't all the way welded, so I should have a pretty good chance here at getting it cut and saved. And if I have to, I can cope this bar a little bit more and drop this down just a hair to get it all to align, and that should all be a-okay. The firewall, that is just strictly basically for the firewall. The cage is right back here. That's your dash bar right there, and then this one is for all the firewall stuff. So let's continue on. I'm gonna do some thinking, some cutting, some making, get these bars put into there, see how it goes. Sheesh, your boy got some coveralls, y'all. Time to try to save my pants. Every single pair that I have has a hole in the knee, by golly. So we're gonna wear some coveralls, and I got this bar in. It was a chore, but the cope went very well. It fits very nice and tight. Come up. Those welds are looking spicy. It's real good all the way around there. And then this one, oh man. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Little big, but hey, I can get them. That side, I got it grinded out. It is a chore and a half, so I did not record it. It took a lot of work. I had the saws all out. I had the old cutter. I had everything out here just trying to get that thing all notched and good. This one, they had it all boogered, so I'm gonna have to cope that thing a good little bit. I don't think they ever even coped this one to fit that bar. So I'm gonna cope that, and then get it put down to right there. Woo! Hopefully this one goes smooth. My fingers are crossed, because once I get those in, I can take all of this cross bracing out and start putting my double trans tunnel in this thing. Let's go. Quick little update. Bam. Front end is all tacked in. Those came out really good. It took a lot of time to get those to be that good. They all fit nice on the bars, especially back in here. Look at those welds, y'all. I'm getting better and better with them. So I still got to finish some welds. I think the bottom side, these are just tacked in, and then I just have this hoop set right now. It is square. Square there, square there, square there, and it's flush across the top. it's all trued up. I'm gonna tack that bad boy in so then I can actually run some door bars or some trans tunnel. Hopefully I can throw you guys in a time lapse. This is honestly like the first time I've truly done this all on my own. So I'm not picking up the camera because I don't want to get camera shy. I'm not gonna lie, that's what it is. Let's dive into some action, hopefully. Sheesh, no time lapse. I guess just another update, y'all. And fan noise. But hey, those are all tacked in. I've kind of got a pedal here just to make sure that that'll work, and I think it will. That's just a Honda one, and hey, maybe it'll get used in here. But anyways, those are all tacked in. I'm not doing nothing back here, let alone this one, to make sure my seat fits. I did the measurements, depending on 17, 18. I can fit like an 18.5-inch seat in that apparently. But hey, that's that. And then now I'm gonna work on this side over here. Maybe I'll take you guys along with me. We're gonna build the same thing over on this side. That's a 45-degree angle there. And then these two are 40-degree angles. And I might end up changing that one just so it goes from there down to here. Make it a little bit longer. I've got some extra material. Maybe I'll just do that. But anyways, that's where we're at with this. And this X brace, it's supposed to have a bar that goes across the floor right there. The way this one was built, I can't put that in for the simple fact, drive line would hit it. So if I put a bar right there, it would smack if it ever came down or up or depending. So I have to kind of work around that. I'm gonna bring some bracket or some bars down from there and then just kick them over and tie them into this bar right here. Let's dive into some action, y'all. Wind noise like crazy, but I am staying cool because I got my onesie on. Anyways, you guys just seen I went and made those up, got those all tacked. I'm gonna leave that front one out for now because I don't know if I'm gonna make it at a 45 or if I'm gonna take that one out and make that one match that one, so then I'll make that one fit into that one. And then I gotta do the rear, but I'm waiting to see what I do for that other side so I can make this side. But other than that, we basically got it. Yep, basically got it. I'm gonna go through, weld those in, weld this hoop in, weld a few other little things in, but that's about where I can get on this car until I get a few more parts tomorrow. And then I'll get the front end put on this thing and be done with it. Tonight, I'm gonna either work on this, that, or that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna work on tonight, but hey, I'll catch you guys back down here in a little bit. Well, scratch that idea. I had to cut the bars out, move these bars because they did not fit with that seat right there. So now they fit with the seat and you don't feel all weird and claustrophobic sitting in there. And now I'm gonna take hopefully these bits that are already coped, change the coping just a little bit and get them suckers on there. Hopefully it works. Sometimes you gotta change plans and then that's all for it, and all those parts right over there, that's all sheet metal. So I'm gonna dive into this. Hopefully I get it knocked out. That's AM, y'all. I'm still at it. Me and the old onesie. I'm kind of digging the old coveralls. Saves the clothes and I get to wear shorts underneath, so it's actually kind of nice. But, quick update. I'm not gonna take up too much of y'all's time. Holy hell. That's where I'm at. All these ones are level. That one's just a skosh low, but super, super close to level. Super happy with it all. It's all squared up. This side is a little different from the other side, but I have to fit that dang driver's seat and get everything to come down the dang drive line there. So it's gonna be tight. They all fit in there. Everything should be Gucci. I'm gonna go start welding all my joints now. And I had to make this little pocket so I could get the seat in and out. That's how tight this thing is in there. I didn't know what else to do. I didn't want to make that tunnel any closer in the back. It would have made it really tight. So that's where we're at. Let's jump into a time lapse and weld this thing up. Yes-um! Sheesh. There was just about an hour of welding. They're coming out pretty alright overall. I'm gonna have to come through, touch a few up. But hey, I've got all the bottoms, all the middle, and now I'm gonna work on the top. Go to the other side. I've got another hour, 2 hours worth of welding ahead of me. I'm gonna get it finished up. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm getting my butt kicked. It's a dirty face type of night. Hit that like, subscribe, share button. We got more videos coming out. The R1 just dropped. That was a fun little 3-wheeler build. We shortened that one up. Go hit that subscribe button, y'all. Like, comment. I want to interact with y'all. I energize off of y'all's comments. Keeps the blood flowing, keeps the creativity in the mind. Let me tell you. Please drop some comments. Good, bad, ugly, and differ. We'll read them all. Catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.